Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your password for YouHodler. If you are trying to sign into your YouHodler application but have no idea what your password is, here's how you can reset to a new one. In the sign-in page for YouHodler, go ahead and tap on the Reset Password link at the very bottom of the screen. Enter your email address associated with your YouHodler account. Once done, tap on Reset at the bottom. You will then receive an email with instructions regarding your password reset. Open up your email app or log into your email address using a web browser and open the email received from YouHodler. Tap Open the email and then tap on Reset Password. Select a web browser of your choice, and you will be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password and finally tap Reset. Now you have successfully reset to a new password. You can now get back to the app, enter your email address and the newly created password for your account, and tap Sign In. That is how you can easily reset your password for YouHodler, even if you've forgotten it during login. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video.